500 grams wheat flour. 7 grams dry yeast. 350 milliliters of warm water. One tablespoon flour. One teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Leave this mixture aside for 10 minutes. Two tablespoons of sunflower oil. 1 teaspoon salt. Ten minutes later. My boy cat Thomas. A little oil. Divide the dough into 4 equally large balls. Let the balls rest for at least 30 minutes or up to 1 hour. After 30 minutes. The visual secret. With a knife or spatula, lightly draw a grid, intersecting lines, on their surface, without cutting through all the dough. Leave for 15 minutes to rise. Preparation in the hot air fryer. Preheat. Set the hot air fryer to 185 degrees Celsius. Baking. Place the bun in the basket, on baking paper cut to size. Time. Bake for 7 minutes on one side, then turn it over and bake for another 6 minutes. Tip. Put a tablespoon of water in the basket. The steam will help it rise and form a thin, not hard crust. In a normal oven, we do the same, only we sprinkle the bun with a tablespoon of water on top before putting it in the oven. Finishing. As soon as you take it out, wrap the bun in a clean cotton towel. This will make it incredibly soft. In these pork meatballs, I added pieces of yellow cheese in the middle before frying them. I cooked them in the air fryer. I seasoned the fried potatoes with salt and hot paprika, served alongside red onion rings marinated in salt and a tablespoon of tarragon vinegar.